Today I'm going to show you how to change your billing address on Amazon. This is especially useful if you've recently moved or need to update your payment information to match your current location. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in with the correct credentials so you can access your account settings. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account dashboard, where you can manage all your Amazon settings. Now that you're on the account page, scroll down through the various sections until you find one called Ordering and Shopping Preferences. This section contains all the tools you need to manage your addresses, payment methods, and other shopping-related settings. Under Ordering and Shopping Preferences, locate and click on Your Addresses. This is where Amazon stores all the delivery and billing addresses you've used or saved to your account. Once you're in the Your Addresses section, you'll see a list of all your saved addresses. If you want to add a completely new address, you can do that here as well. But for now, since we're updating an existing billing address, find the address you want to change and click the Edit button next to it. This will open up the address editing interface. After clicking Edit, you'll see an option that says Choose New Address. Click on this to begin entering your updated information. A form will appear where you can type in your new address details. Fill in the fields for your street address, city, state, province, or region depending on your location, zip code, and phone number if needed. Make sure everything is accurate, as this will be used for billing and possibly shipping purposes as well. Once you've entered all the necessary information and double-checked that everything looks correct, click the Update button. This will save your new billing address to your Amazon account. The changes should take effect immediately, and your new address will now be used for future orders and billing statements. And that's it. You've successfully updated your billing address on Amazon, ensuring your account information stays current and your orders are processed smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.